Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, like and share the video. So what are we learning today? Today, we will learn about how to balance chemical equations. Let's get started. In science, we have word equations and chemical equations, but our focus here will be on chemical equation. Chemical equations consist of the chemical symbols of the elements. A chemical symbol consists of the reactants and products. Our main objective is to learn how to balance chemical equations. When we say an equation is chemically balanced, it means the number of atoms of each element on both sides are the same. When balancing a chemical equation, look for carbon and balance it first, then balance oxygen, followed by hydrogen. After that, you can balance any other element. But if any of them is not present, jump to the next one. Let's solve few examples. Note that nitrogen, iodine, chlorine, oxygen and hydrogen are written chemically as their atomic elements. This means we always add the 2 to it. How do we find the number of atoms of an element in an equation? This is a hydrogen atom. Note that if no number is there, 1 is present. It has a big number in front and a small number behind. To find the number of atoms, multiply the big number by the small number. So here, it's 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. Here, it's 2 times 1, which is 2. With this one, it's 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. For calcium in this, it's 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. But for oxygen in this, it's 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Given this example, we first have to check whether the equation is chemically balanced or not. This equation is not chemically balanced. This is because the number of oxygen on the reactant side is 2, and the number of oxygen on the product side is 1. By balancing 2 and 1, we will multiply the 1 by 2 to get 2. We will then write the 2 in front of H2O on the product side, since the O and the H2 are together. This means the 2 is affecting both the H and the O. Now oxygen is balanced. By balancing hydrogen, we can see that the number of atoms on the reactant side is 2, and that for the product side is 4. By balancing 2 and 4, we must multiply the 2 by 2 to get 4. Now we have 4 on both sides. So we write the 2 in front of H2 at the reactant side. By inspection, the equation is now chemically balanced. How will you balance this one too? Since the number of atoms of oxygen on the reactant side is 2 and that on the product side is 1, the equation is not balanced. Since oxygen is present, we balance it first. By balancing 2 and 1, we must multiply 2 by the 1 to get 2. Now we have 2 on both sides. We then write the 2 in front of the CaO since the O and Ca are together. Oxygen is now balanced. Let's balance calcium. The number of atoms for calcium on the reactant side is 1, and that for the product side is 2. By balancing 1 and 2, we multiply the 1 by 2 to get 2. So we write the 2 in front of the Ca at the reactant side. Now the equation is balanced. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.